Welcome back. Before the storefronts, before the sparkle, there was just an idea and a man determined to make it work. It's the story of Artwell and Co. Fine Jewelry and Piercing. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
Jewelry is often said to be the silent whisper of elegance. For Andre Artwell, CEO of Artwell & Co. Fine Jewelry and Piercing, it's not only an outlet for his creativity and designing these statement pieces, it's a source of income.
From a young age, from a child, we always loved wearing jewelry. At the time, living in Jamaica, so stainless jewelry we used to wear then. We had the chance to go overseas, working around different individuals selling different type of jewelry, so we start have a cravings for high-end stuff, and from that day we just keep going.
But it wasn't until 2016 that Mr. Artwell truly began to artwell.
To be honest, we take it very serious when someone that I know that's been doing it for a very long time asks me my input on something and I answer the question like this, and then they keep asking me different questions to this, and I keep answering like so. Obviously, you must say, oh, you're a natural, and we just take it serious and see it can work, and from there, life is what it is right now.
From the early days of selling just body jewelry, his business has expanded well beyond that, now running 4 stores, 3 in the US DVM area and 1 in Jamaica.
We're very big on doing custom jewelry, and we sell a lot of different items such as like bracelets, rings, engagement rings, men rings, watches, everything in jewelry actually. Whatever you need in jewelry, I do have it in store.
Like many new ventures, the start was anything but sterling. Sales were slow and the sparkle of success seemed elusive.
First time we opened the first store on February 1st, 2016, I never sell a dime. The second day I sell $20. And I say, I figured it, I have to go back to the drawing board, or to the drawing board, find a different company, buy some different style of stuff. The next day I make $300.
And starting a business in the US also meant navigating a maze of red tape.
So with a Jamaican owning a business overseas, there's a lot of different challenges. So I say because a lot of us go there and we have to learn a way to move from one step to the next step. So with that, so that is a big part of how you're gonna grow. Because I didn't know at that time, you're going to need to find a way for finance. How we're going to do this? No matter what type of job it is, it could be jewelry, restaurant, etc. Me just lucky if you can find a way to get a credit card and start it from there. So.
Now a multi-million-dollar venture sourcing raw materials from as far as India, Mr. Artwell employs over 10 staff members and show clear signs of growth. With dazzling plans on the horizon, he's set to polish and elevate the brand to even greater brilliance.
The long-term goal of the business is bigger than what it is right now. We have multiple locations in different parishes in Jamaica and the Caribbean.
As you mentioned Caribbean, you eyeing anywhere to pivot to? Start to go?
Yes. Yeah, next move would I like to be Turks and Caicos and Cayman.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.